my channel. I wasn't really sure if this video really needed an intro, but here it is. So if you guys want to know how to make this headpiece, I shall teach you that in this video. It's kind of destroyed because it went on a plane, but that's another story. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to make this headpiece, without further ado, let's get started. Yo, it's your girl Paige here. Alright, so listen, this is what we want to do. You just want to start off with a kind of large headband. Make sure it's not plastic. I kind of made that mistake with the hot glue gun and it ended up melting the headband. So I restarted with like this old kind of faux leather headband I had. And all I'm doing, I already had some leaves on here from a previous project. And yeah, I'm just literally hot gluing everything on, and then I end up curling the leaves back because I didn't like how it looked. So yeah, just go ahead and put the hot glue gun on there and then curl the leaves and just hold it there for a second, and yeah. So you can see that I'm doing that. And I at first started doing it like one at a time, but then I was like, bruh, this shit is taking way too long. So I kind of just did like a line of hot glue, and then I rolled a bunch of them back and then held all of them there in place with my hand. And I didn't have one of those like foam head things, so I just used like a Claire's bag my friend gave to me. So yeah, sorry about that. Also, I was watching Vampire Diaries in the background. Are you team Stefan or Damon? Let me know. So yeah, and I just literally repeated this all the way around the crown. And honestly too, if you just saw that, like I'd recommend letting the glue sit for just a minute and then pushing it on, because I burnt my fingers a few times, and also like holding them there for a very long time. Alrighty, so now that once that is done, I'm just gonna keep holding it into place, letting everything sit and settle, and we'll get into the next thing here in a second, because my editing skills are terrible. So after this, you'll see that I'm gonna have like a bunch of flowers that I have attached to this block right here. And before we get started with that, I want to show you how I made this part of the headpiece. So I just got this little foam block that I literally got from the dollar store, and then I cut a slice off of it as if you're cutting a slice of delicious banana bread. So yeah, I did have to go around it. Just be super careful if you're under the age of dealing with a knife. Please ask your parent to help you with this section if you're wanting to do this. And then yeah, I just got these flowers from like the dollar store. They have little wires inside, and then I also cut the bottom into like a kind of oval shape just so it wraps around the headpiece. This isn't necessary, but I just wanted more stability for the headpiece. So I got these two things that I'm trying to glue together from my mom's fake plant, which I just clipped two off. Yeah. And I'm just literally gluing them together to make like a halo kind of look. I kind of was like playing with it to see where I wanted to glue it, and then once I figured it out, I just kind of lifted it up and then put the glue and then squished it back down. So this is how I was doing the flowers. Again, if you want to cut these off, please get an adult. I used some wire cutters, and then I literally just pushed it right into the foam. It was that easy. And I just kept going around doing that to the other side. And then because they're made of wire, I started like bending the flowers to shape them where I wanted them to be. But you'll see in a second, I had to like hot glue some of them in place because they kept spinning while in the foam. So I just hot glued them just to make sure that they were more secure, and also that they wouldn't turn on me and they would always be facing the front. And I just did this for the back of every single flower in and around each one. And sometimes I did have to hold it in place like this one to get it to stay how I wanted it to. A little time consuming, but totally worth it if you want it to be exactly how you want it. So this is pretty much it, guys. I just had to push one little thing in the top. And yeah, that was super easy. It literally took me maybe 45 minutes. It didn't take me long at all. So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know if you recreated this headpiece or if you made your own headpiece. I'd absolutely love to see them. I had to say like all the normal YouTuber stuff: like, subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share. I don't know, am I missing something? I think I'm missing something. I don't know. But yeah, do all the normal YouTuber stuff that people say to do.
I feel like we got